Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Najy Benhassine. I'm the country director for the World Bank in Pakistan. I'm very happy today to visit the Benazir Income Support Program One-Stop Shop Center in Islamabad, joined with the managing director of the World Bank, Mrs. Anna Bjerde. It's an important visit for us because we've been supporting BISP since the start, since 2008, and we are witnessing the progress that has been made, the new programs, 𝐒𝐨𝐜𝐤𝐢𝐬𝐭𝐚n, Nashonuma, for education, for health and nutrition, and of course, Kafaalat, the unconditional cash transfer program. And we're very happy with the evolution of the program in terms of the information system, the payment systems, the National Social Registry, also the linkages with the provincial programs and different programs in terms of accessing the National Registry. And we can see firsthand by meeting beneficiaries to understand the constraints, to understand the benefits of the program. And the World Bank, with its new country partnership framework over the coming decade, is committed to continue to support the social protection and poverty alleviation agenda in Pakistan. Thank you very much.